Okay. The white space is visible, right? Is it visible to you? White space? Okay, so first of all, our course name is Microwave and Data Engineering. And in this course, what we will discuss actually? We'll discuss the total syllabus. We can separate the total syllabus in two parts. The first part will discuss about the microwave, and in the second part, we'll discuss about the antennas. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Briefly, we can part in two ways. So in first part, we will discuss microwave. And in the second part, we will discuss about antennas. Okay. So two things. And what we'll discuss in the microwave part? That is the burning question. What we will discuss? Okay, we will discuss the transmission line. TL means transmission line. That is not the conventional transmission line. It is actually a special kind of transmission line which we will discuss. We will have to discuss. And the high frequency transmission line actually. That is the matter of discussion in our upcoming classes. Transmission line. Okay. So in the microwave, we'll start with the transmission line. And after the transmission line, we'll discuss about the waveguide. Okay, after completing the transmission line, we will go to the waveguide. Okay, we have to discuss about waveguide. In the first part, we'll discuss about the transmission. In the second part, we'll discuss the waveguides. And we'll also discuss about the cavities. Cavity regulator. Okay, cavity regulator. These things will be discussed in the micro part. The antenna part we'll discuss what we'll discuss in the antenna. In the antenna, we'll discuss types, antenna types. Antenna types and some mathematical problems. Problems regarding antenna. Okay, so these things we have to discuss about in the antenna part. So overall, that is your microwave and antenna engineering syllabus in a short. But I'll show you details inshallah in upcoming classes.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay, sir.
what is actually microwave? Do you have any idea, any guys? What is microwave? Can you define? Anyone? Hamid, Mithun, Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what do you understand by microwave?
Sir, microwave form of electromagnetic radiation.
Yes, electromagnetic radiation. That's good.
Yes. Yes.
It is actually electromagnetic radiation. Electric and magnetic field. Two fields are involved in the microwave radiation. Remember, electric field as well as the magnetic
Yes.
field. Right. Electric field is represented by E, right? E vector. E vector. And magnetic field is represented by H, which is the H vector. So do you know what is the scalar and what is the vector? Scalar and vector. Why it is vector? Diba?
Yes, sir.
দিবা তুমি কি বলতে পারবে যে এটা ভেক্টর কেন?
স্যার মাইক্রোওয়েভ
হ্যাঁ, এখানে ধরো ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ডকে আমি উপরে অ্যারো সাইন দিছি, অ্যারো সাইন মানে হচ্ছে ভেক্টর। এখন এটা ভেক্টর কেন? ভেক্টর রাশি কেন?
স্যার ফার্স্টে এটা স্যার লেন্থ বা এরিয়া এগুলো স্যার পরিমাপ করার যেটা ওটা হচ্ছে স্কেলার, আর স্যার ভেলোসিটি এগুলো স্যার ভেক্টর কোয়ান্টিটি, অ্যাক্সিলারেশন।
No, sir.
Okay, anyone?
Sir, the meaning of vector.
Yes.
Sir, vector is a quantity. Also, is an object that has both a magnitude and a direction.
Right. That is the thing. Magnitude and direction.
Yes, sir.
The electric field has the magnitude as well as the direction.
Yes, sir.
It's a vector. That is not a scalar. If it is a scalar, then it would be only magnitude. it would have only magnitude. But since it
Yes.
is vector, that's why it has the direction. That's why we are directing it vector. Similarly, magnetic field. Okay. Try to understand, everyone, what is the vector and what is the scalar. If anything, any object has the magnitude, then it is a scalar. If it has the magnitude as well as the direction, then it will be vector. Remember this. So electromagnetic field, EM field. Okay, microwave is actually EM field. EM wave, electromagnetic wave. Microwave is actually electromagnetic wave. Okay, and it has a, why it is micro? Because the frequency, because of the frequency. Okay, the standard microwave frequency started from 300 megahertz, 300 megahertz, up to 300 gigahertz. Remember this thing always, every time. Okay, always remember the range of microwave. As an electrical engineer, you have to remember it. No other way. Okay, what is the electromagnetic wave? What is the vector? What is the scalar? And what is the range of microwave frequencies? You have to remember, because you are
Okay, sir.
people, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
You're a student, electrical engineer, so you have to remember these things always. Do not forget it. Okay, you will face it in the Viva. Not only our Viva, it is actually the job Viva or the job. You will ask you these questions.
Okay, sir. We remember. Thank you.
Okay, always remember. So that is the range of the microwave frequencies. The range is 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz.
Gigahertz.
300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz. Do you remember if equation V equal to F lambda? The equation which we have studied in our school life, right? V equal to F lambda. So V equal to F lambda, what does it mean? V is the velocity, F is the frequency, lambda is the wavelength.
Wavelength.
Right. Today I am showing you the basic things, basic formulas. I will not go to the microwave, but basic. Okay, V equal to F lambda. So V here, V is what? V is velocity, right? Velocity.
Velocity. Mass force.
Velocity. F is the frequency. F is the frequency,
Because
and that is the wavelength.
wave.
Right, wavelength.
Wavelength.
Right, wavelength. Okay. So V equal to velocity, F equal to frequency, lambda equal to wavelength. Here, so what we can write? We can write lambda is equal to V by F. Say V by F. Lambda equal to V by F. So what is actually V? V is C over square root of epsilon r. New formula for you guys. What is V? V means the velocity. Velocity of what? Velocity of electromagnetic wave or velocity of wave. So how you calculate the velocity of wave? You can calculate it by using this formula. C over square root of epsilon r. C over square root of epsilon r. So one question may arise in your mind: what is actually epsilon r? Right? Anyone know what is the epsilon r? Anyone?
Relation permittivity.
Relative permittivity. Relative. It is actually relative permittivity.
Yes, sir.
Right. Epsilon r is the relative permittivity. I think you have studied in the physics, right?
Yes, sir.
In the physics, you have studied it. Relative permittivity, epsilon r. Okay. Or in the electromagnetic wave. Sorry, EM field. Fields and waves. Electromagnetic fields and waves. You had a course. I think in that course you have studied this one very well, which is the epsilon r is the relative permittivity. Now C, what is the C? Anyone? Mithun, C key? Mithun is there or no? Not here.
Yes.
I mean,
The,
what is the
speed of the light.
right?
Can-
Speed of light. And we know the fixed value, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8
8
meter per second, right?
per second. Yeah.
That is the value we know. So that is the speed of light.
Speed of light.
Okay, now comes the interesting point. So if you want to measure the velocity of a wave, then you have to use this formula. Now, how you get the epsilon r? Epsilon r actually varies according to your material. So epsilon r is 1. Epsilon r is 1 in the air. In the air medium, that is the 1. That is why in the air, V is equal to C. In the air, V is equal to C. In the air, V is equal to C. That means the speed of velocity is equal to the speed of light. It is in the air. In the air medium, V is equal to C. So if you change your medium, that means epsilon r would be changed. Epsilon r would be changed. In that case, your velocity would change. Okay, so velocity varies according to the medium. Remember this, if you want to calculate the velocity of a wave, then you have to know the epsilon r of the medium at which into which the waves go through. Okay, so you have to remember that that value. So in general, in the air medium, epsilon r is equal to 1, so V is equal to C in the air medium, but it would not be same in the wood. It would not be same in the metal. Okay, it is different in the water also. So that is not the same. That is the important thing. I think you have to remember. So today's class is not cheap, because in this class I have discussed some important things which will be related in your upcoming classes.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Okay, and remember one thing, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and there are some other values. 3 into 10 to the power 10, that is centimeter per second. Centimeter per second, and 3 into 10 to the power 11, that is millimeter per second, right? 10 to 10 to the 10 it's 10%, 3 to 10 to 11 it will be limited percent. That is the two thing you have to remember. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I think today it is enough.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Enough, enough.
Because it is the initial class.
Okay, sir. Please. And how are our exams, sir?
Your exam.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Only you is remain.
Okay, I'll Hamid. Hamid,
Yes,
your
sir.
roll number is 17, right?
Yeah, 17, sir.
You have not participated in the exam.
No, they allowed me, sir, because I paid this semester and only 20 cases remain. So the other two courses I have already done their exams, and only control system is remain to you.
But you will not get your result until you bring the permission from the accounts. Okay, so you just
Inshallah, sir.
I'll take your exam. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, and Shobhan has same problem, I think. Roll 18 has the DO problem. All right.
Hello?
And I do not know what happened to the roll 16.
16.
Same problem. Okay, 1, 2, 6, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 3 will get the result. But 16 will not. You will get 0. Okay, so today I am taking your attendance 1, 9,
Okay, sir. Roll 1,
1,
roll,
wait,
roll 12, 6, 18, and 12.
roll number 1, right?
Yes, yes. Roll 6,
1, 6,
12, 17, 18.
18.
Yes.
Where are others? Here, 14.
Maybe today is absent for first class.
First class we have signed.
Yes.
Okay, but he's a good boy.
Yes, yes, yes. I know.
Okay,
Good boy. Yes, sir.
and I think all other friends will join soon in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I want to ask you a question. One exam result published one time.
Within few days. I think first week of September.
Okay, so thank
Within
you.
7 of September.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Within this period, we will publish a result.
Okay,
I think
sir.
I will personally publish a result on the Saturday. Inshallah.
Okay, inshallah. Okay, bye.
So I'm closing the class and I'm uploading the. Okay, one thing, you make another group or rename the group name. ET411. Okay, messenger group. Rename the messenger group ET411.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that I can understand.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Or change the title, change the name.
so for 5 guys are present today.
Yes.
No problem. Try to present in the upcoming classes, inshallah. And I hope that in this semester I can take few classes. I think lab classes on the campus.
On the campus, inshallah.
Okay, in the campus, inshallah. I'll try to convince our department that I want to take the class.
Okay.
Lab class actually, at least. The campus. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
get ready. So if I ask you to come to the campus, you should. And in the meantime, try to take the vaccine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what is your procedure, the foreigners?
Sir, still we don't have a procedure to take the vaccine. It's waiting for university still.
I think it is you have to contact with the Shalom sir regarding
Okay.
that, sir, we want to take vaccines because everyone is taking vaccines and university will open soon. So we
Inshallah.
need this. And I
Okay, sir.
think Somalian government also have something with this issue
Okay, sir.
regarding all, I think, because since you are the you came comes from that country, so we have to, I think, communicate with your government for this issue. I think, but I'm not sure about that. What is
Okay.
okay.
Okay, we
Okay,
contact
so
Shalom, sir.
I will
Shalom.
just talk with the Shalom sir. I think he will suggest you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Sir.
But I'll suggest everyone please take the vaccines because
Good
it
for
is
us.
high time. Also, we are also taking the vaccines. I have taken my first dose. Inshallah, we will
Mashallah.
take the second dose very soon. And
Inshallah.
other teachers also have been taking the vaccine. So it is high time to take the vaccine. Okay, so I'm closing this. Stay safe. See
Okay,
you
sir.
soon in the next class, inshallah.
Okay, sir. Next class. Okay, Shalom. See you again.